Keep your camera lens clean. Okay, it's clean. Okay, so what's up everybody? We just got done prepping all this. We got it all washed this morning. All this is going black today. Once you go black, you never go back. So I spent the last 2 days getting the bed all ready to go, getting it all prepped, got the hood all prepped and ready to go. We got the tailgate, we got the inner fenders, what we're painting today. That doesn't leave us much left. That leaves us the front and rear fenders and a little miscellaneous parts. But we're getting them all done. We got the tailgate hanging, we got the inner fenders hanging, we have the bed all hanging. So this thing is going to be really cool when it's all done. But just kind of showing that it's all getting painted today. So it is finally ready. It took long enough to get it ready, but it's ready. So it's kind of exciting. So what do you guys think? What would have been a better color besides black? What color would you have done your 52 GMC? Let me know in the comments. Remember to subscribe and like this video so we can keep doing awesome stuff like this.